Okay guys, here's another problem with binomial expansion unit. So let's get started. So this is question number 9, and question A is find the first three terms in the expansion of this binomial 1 plus px quantity to the power of 8 in ascending powers of x. Okay, let's get started. So this is our binomial 1 plus px to the power of 8. So what does it mean, ascending powers? It means from lowest to highest power, right? So we need to find first three terms here. Okay, and power of x should be ascending. Okay, then by the binomial theorem we can use this coefficients. So n is 8, choose 0, this is our first term. A is 1 to the highest power 8. B is px and it starts from 0. This is the first term plus second term. Then 8, choose 1. 1 to the power of, so you will subtract 1 from each power of a. So it was 8, now 8 minus 1, it is 7. And you will add to each power of b. B is px. Px to the power of 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, the third term is 8 choose 2, 1 to the power of 6, and px to the power of 2. Plus, it continues, but we need only these three terms. Okay, let's get started. To simplify, so 8 choose 0 is 1. This is 1. This is also 1. So multiplication between them, so the first term is just 1. Plus 8 choose 1 is 8 times 1 times px. So that will be then 8px, the second term. Now what will be the third term? I need to use my calculator. 8 choose 2. So 8 choose 2, 28. Okay, this is 28. This is times 1. This is p squared and x squared. Okay, if we simplify it, multiply everything, plus 28p squared x squared plus that. So we need only these three terms. So find three terms. So this is the answer for question A. Now question B. Okay, given that the coefficient of x squared in the expansion of these two binomials is 204, find the possible values of p. Okay, expansion of two binomials. The first binomial is 1 minus 2x. Second binomial is 1 plus px to the power of 8. Okay, we need to expand them. So the first factor here, first bracket, is power 1, so we don't have to expand it. We can just write it as a factor. And second factor, 1 plus px to the power of 8, we already factored and we obtained three terms. We can write these three terms. It is 1 plus 8px plus 28p squared x squared plus that. Okay, and now so the question tells us that given that the coefficient of x square expansion is 204, so we need to find the x squared term with x square, and its coefficient is 204, and by using this condition we can find the values of p. Okay, how to get x square? Let's see. From if we expand this to brackets, how to get x square? X square we can get if you multiply 1 times 28p squared x squared, it will give us, yes, it will give us 28p squared x squared if you multiply 1 times to that term. Second x square we can get if we multiply x term with x term, so it will be then minus 2 times 8. Minus 2 times 8 is minus 16p x squared. Okay, so and we are given also that the coefficient of x square is 204, so we will use only coefficient of x squares. Okay, so we don't need x squares here, so it is equals to 204 x square. Okay, let's rewrite it without x squared, so we will have 28p squared minus 16p equals to 204. And if we make one side 0, 28p squared minus 16p minus 204 equals to 0. Now you can see it is quadratic. So now we have to solve this quadratic expression. Can we simplify here? Okay, I think we can divide everything by 4. So 28 divided by 4, it is 7p squared minus 4p and minus 51 equals to 0. Okay, can we factor them? So let's check the discriminant. So discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So what is b here? It is minus 4 squared minus 4 times a times c is minus 51. And if I simplify it, is 16 plus 51 times 28 is 1428 plus 16. It is 1444. Oh, this is 38 squared, so it is perfect square, so we can factor them out. So 7p and p, so 51 will be like 28. So we will 51. So factors of 51 can be divided by 3. So 51 factors 3 and 17. Okay, what will it give us? 12. So 51 divided by 12. 13, 14. Okay, so we have 3 and 17. Okay, 3 and 17, right? It will be then plus both of them so one of them negative. Minus 17. Let's say it is minus 17 here, plus 3 here. So it and equals to 0. So is it right? So it is 21 minus 17. Oh, okay, 17 is plus, 3 is negative here, minus 3. So then it will be minus 21 plus 17. Yeah, that is minus 4. So we have two factors. Set each factor equals to 0, and solve for p. P equals to minus 17 over 7, and p equals to 3. So we have to answer. P will be minus 17 over 7, and it is 3. So these are our final answers.